In this video we will learn how to generate a job request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the recruitment module on top navigation bar. So here you can see job request form. Click on the Apply for Job Request button to add a new request. Select the required data from drop-downs. Enter number of positions required. You can add candidate age and salary range. Target joining date can also be mentioned. Enter required qualification, experience and job description of candidate. Click on a Submit button to submit your request. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.